Guys, let's go get some foodstuffs. We are going to get some foodstuffs at Quickmart Utawala, guys. Fry. I got bread and also I normally use Zenta. I love this soap very much. Zenta is it has hey it does me well. This thing I love it so much, guys. And also I got Msafi. Hey, and let me tell you, by the way, there is an offer. There is an offer of Msafi in at Quickmart. There is an offer. So if you normally use Msafi, kindly go get yours like right now, because you know overs in Quickmart they don't last. So kindly just go and get yours while the offer lasts. I normally buy it at I think 235, but guess what? It's on offer. It's 159, guys. Imagine you're gonna save some coins. Yeah, yes. So this is my maragwe. I love beans so much. Yeah, I do beans with chapati, beans with rice. Yeah, so and I also got golden fry from Golden Africa. Oh. So guys, as you can see, I also bought cabras sugar. Me, by the way, guys, I don't choose any sugar. I use any sugar that I got on the shelf. So I normally use any sugar. So today I just got cabras and yeah. And now we have chapo. Hey guys, me I love chapo. My kids love chapo so much. And yeah, so these three ungas, they gonna last us until the end of the month. Yes. And also here we have flour, ugali flour, unga ya ugali. For us in my house, we do eat ugali a lot. Yeah, we do eat ugali a lot. Like mostly in our meals, we must include ugali. So that's why I normally buy a lot of unga flour so that it can last us till the end of the month. Yes. And I bought rice. I do order rice from where, yeah, I do order rice from where, and there is a person who normally brings me rice, and now the rice is sorted. So guys, apart from this one, nothing else. I also bought some sukuma wiki. These are kales. I want to cook sukuma wiki and ugali. Yes. So let me arrange these things, guys, and we do this mboga together. Dough. I want to wash my kales. I told you that I bought kales, and today I want to do kales with eggs. So I want to wash my kales and prepare it for supper. Come with me, guys. Let's do it together. I do wash them. I put them here. Then after putting them here, they drain water. Then after they drain water, guys, and that is now where I start by cutting them. Yes. And remember, these kales, I bought them. We call them suckers. These are suckers, guys. The kienyeji ones, the organic ones, guys. So we do eat organic. Yeah. Oh my god. So this is our kales. They were not that dirty. They were not that dirty. So I've washed them, and now I want to cut them. So guys, let's cut our kales. Let's cut them. And my knife is blunt. I don't like sharp knives because they do cut my hands. I do cut my hand. So guys, this is what we are going to prepare tonight. Let me get a sufuria, a pot, so that we can start cooking. This one is for kales. This one is for ugali. And the eggs, we will fry them in the frying pan, guys. So guys, we will start by putting on the light. And this is water for garlic. This is water for garlic. Put it there. So, yeah. As you can see here, I'm cutting onions. I'm cutting onions. I'm cutting onions, guys. Cutting onions. Let's put onion. Our tomatoes are ready. Let's put our kales, our vegetables. So guys, let's cover our vegetables and wait for the outcome. I can't wait to chop. I can't wait to chop, guys. I'm so hungry. I want to chop. Let's check on our ugali. It's almost. Now, guys, our veggies are ready, as you can see them. And here, I'm also making eggs. And here we have ugali. So, we are done with vegetables. Let's now start with eggs. So guys, we are almost done. And here, this is what I normally use to mix my eggs. I do mix my eggs with, it normally helps me a lot. And guys, don't cover your vegetables after you are done cooking them, because they will overcook and they will be brownish instead of maintaining that green color. Are we together? And as you can see, guys, our water is boiling, so we want to cook ugali. Let's do it, guys. we're almost done. As you can see, our eggs are almost ready. And here I'm cooking ugali. So guys, I'm cooking ugali now, and I'm also turning my eggs. As you can see, the eggs are almost ready. And now here have the ugali. In Kijaluo we call it kuon. In Kiluya we call it obusuma. Yes guys. So you see, this is how we cook ugali. This is how we cook it. You make sure that everything is mixed up. The water, the flour is mixed up. Oh my, it is not easy. You just feel good while eating, but while cooking ugali, it's another task. You see our ugali is ready? Yes. So guys, this is our end result. Hey, karibuni kwa meza. Welcome guys. We wanna chop palm finish. Hey guys, this is the end result. As you can see, I'm eating. It is so sweet guys, very sweet. Okay guys, thank you so much for your time. We started cooking together and we have finished, and now we are eating. Thank you so much guys for staying here with me. May God bless you. Kindly subscribe, comment and like. Thank you guys. Bye.